What's up, YouTube? It's Tuesday and we're here at the workbench, so that means it's time for Tool Review Tuesday. Now this episode we're going to be reviewing the Craftsman the mid-torque impact. Stay tuned for that on this episode of Hoob's Garage. So this won't be an actual unboxing. I've really had this tool a couple of months. But there's the model number. If anybody's interested, it's the brushless, it's the mid-torque. And if you watch the Escalade video, I used it. It only had like half a battery and it took all 4 tires off and put them back on, no problem. But I've had these for years. This set of the Craftsman impact driver and the drill. And I ended up getting this random big battery for my birthday, so I thought I'll just run out and get the impact here. I've been really happy with it so far, and to test it out we're going to go over here to the Challenger, torque down the wheels and make sure it can zip that off no problem. Let's shoot over to the Challenger now. So we're over here at the Challenger now. We got the big 1/2 inch torque wrench out. We're going to make sure these wheels are torqued down to factory specs. If the camera focuses there, you can see got it set to 110 foot-pounds. Make sure there's no funny business here. And once you think the lug nuts was already loose, let's go around and make sure all these are good and tight. Okay, we're going to get the car up in the air just a little bit here, not much. Looking to get the tire off the ground. As you can see, it had absolutely no problem taking those off. And that's with that much battery. I've been really happy with this so far. Okay, let's go ahead and zip them back on here. Been pretty happy with it so far. As you can see, it had no problem with that. We got about this much battery here. And I really think you'd be happy with this if you ran out and got you one. But this is Hoob with Hoob's Garage. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.